Hey, hey, Cuphead, wake up, you sleepyhead.
Huh? Oh, hey, Muckman. How you doing this morning?
Um, I'm fine. How are you?
You know me. I'm good as well.
Oh, that's great, but why don't you get something to eat?
Wait, really? Okay,
And make sure to hurry up. Lickety split.
got it.
I love it when he's saying that.
2 hours later.
Okay, fix my internet connection. There, that's better. Go back home. Nothing go wrong.
Mugman!
What the? Cuphead, what's going on here?
Mugman, you won't believe this, pal.
Cuphead, how did you turn into a chicken?
Well, you see, I was eating spicy chicken, right? And turns out, I'm turned into a chicken puppet.
What am I going to do with you? Yeah, what the? Am I a goose or a duck?
Wow, I wish he can duck over it. Get it? Duck over it?
Ha, am I a goose or what? I mean, I look like a duck, but I gotta tell my friends about this.
Not if I tell first.
Hey, wait for me, Clucky. Quack, 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 quack.
Miss Chalice, where you at, girl? I'm over here. Look, I'm turning myself into an ostrich. Ha! You must be Ollie the ostrich because you're a girl.
Well, you can call me Gizmo the Goose. Period.
Where's Mr. Devil?
Who is Mr. Devil? I am Mr. Crow.
Ha! Go back to the cornfield where you belong, man.
Who are you supposed to be? Mr. Clucky? You could call me Mr. Crone. Crone the Crow. Right? Everybody? Anybody?
Okay, but how are we supposed to get back to normal? I think I know.
3 hours later.
Well, and that didn't work. Well, at least I turned to a chicken.
Ha! You tell me, because I'm a duck, because I don't want to get quacking around, right? Dang straight.